Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Key Dot. I'm going to be giving you a review of my Moistenland hydroponic growing system. So this would be the first video for my channel actually. I need to stop saying anyways, this is the growing system and I got it from Amazon for about $99, around that area. It came with these growing mediums as well as some caps to cover those areas you're not going to use. And this is where you put the water in here, but I completely broke that. But yeah, you're going to have to fill the water all the way up, like fill it up. I believe it's about 4 liters. Just trying to put that down. So I have my own seeds, but I also bought some Arrow Garden, pre-seeded pods. And this is all lettuce over here, and that's tomato in the back. These two, this is a flower, and yeah, these are flowers as well. I just threw some stuff in there to see how the machine would grow it. It's been growing pretty well. The lettuce are over here. This is about 3 weeks of growth, I believe, as well as the tomato seedlings, and the flowers I put in about last week. So yeah, let me take my phone down. This is it. Just gonna give you a little tour. Hopefully I'm not shaking too much. It comes with the light, as you can see, as well as a fan up there. The fan helps the leaves stay nice and crisp, but they're not crisp enough for me. So I think when I harvest them, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, let them cool down. And if you're hearing anything, water swishing around, it's just a system mixing the water up so that all the rooting systems get some of the plant nutrients. Right now I'm using Arrow Garden nutrients. Let me see here. Oops. This is what the Arrow Garden liquid plant food looks like. And it tells you how many caps to give your hydroponic system. This one comes with 12 spaces in them. Only using 10 right now, so let me give you guys a tour of the rooting system. Pretty freaking sweet. Take a look at that. Just nice. Just all growing and well. I wanted to get an Arrow Garden system, but it was a little too pricey for me, and I had to, be a bit affordable. So also it comes with these tweezers, these caps to cover the seedlings, like that. Let's see. Oops. Comes with these labels as well. About 12 of them. Let me take you over to see my plants. My lettuce, I don't want y'all to be eating soon. Oh, I'm keeping them in this post office box because the light at night is so bright. I can see it on the outside of my house, so I had to cover it up, and it's actually been doing great for them. So here's some lettuce. Don't be afraid. The lettuce is fine. In the back, that's some black seeded Simpson, and the first two up here are deer tongue. I thought they would send me a mix of things, but they sent me 2 deer tongue. In the back, those are 2 tiny Tims. And this one here is a tomato as well. I got the seed from out of a honey bomb tomato I got from the grocery store. And those are just a mix of flowers that I'm waiting to see what they do. I'm going to harvest these lettuce soon because they're getting, look at that. This one's leaving out of the box. But okay, I'm gonna leave a link below to this this growing system, Moistenland. I thought I would give a review because I don't see too many reviews on it, video wise. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'm out.